Hey, it's Gina from WTI. As I'm getting older, I'm noticing that my skin is starting to change. One of the things that I'm doing to help keep my skin looking good is using a red light therapy mask from CLETINA. This mask is really top of the line for a few different reasons. One of which is that it's flexible, so it makes it a lot more comfortable to wear. Now, everybody's face shape is different. I found that if I wore it a little bit higher up with the clasp higher up on my head and the back, and just kind of pinched the eye masks in the middle and pulled it out a tiny bit from my nose, that it was very comfortable to wear for 15 to 20 minutes. I got this because I want to see more elasticity and decrease in wrinkles in my face. So I use the red setting the most often and include the deep infrared at the same time, which I think is awesome that you can use both of them, and then it penetrates to a deeper depth in your derma and gives you more results. Of course, with any kind of skincare regimen, you need to be very consistent in order to see changes. I've been using this a few times a week for about a month, and I've noticed that there's a decrease in my fine lines, and I feel like my skin is starting to tone up and get a little bit firmer. I love that the charge on this lasts for a really long time, and you don't have to be attached to a plug-in. So I can walk around with it, I can dance around with it, but I really use this time as kind of a self-care time to be able to relax. I do it while I'm watching TV or just laying in bed, and I like that I don't have to use any kind of product with this. I just have clean skin when I put it on, and then after it's done, I just follow up with a moisturizer. I think this mask is really outstanding. If you're looking to try to up your skincare routine, I recommend checking it out. And that's my point of view.